holidays, everyone. Wait a minute. Yeah, all right. There we go. Now that's more like happy holiday crafting, everyone. Woohoo! I'm Matthew Reinhardt, pop-up book creator. Happy holidays. It's time for crafting. Hey there, everybody. Welcome to the Pop-Up Studio. My name is Matthew Reinhardt. I'm a pop-up book creator. I'm a children's book author and illustrator. I like to make crafts, and you're here in my studio, and we are going to make some holiday crafts. So happy holidays. It's that time of the year, whether you celebrate Christmas or Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or just the New Year's or the winter solstice. It's time to get to crafting. So I've got some do-it-yourself pop-up cards. There's 12 different pop-up cards this year. It's sort of like the 12 days of Christmas, but it's the 12 days of holiday pops. And today we're gonna make, this is I think my favorite one of the series, this wonderful pop-up wreath. Look at that. I love the way it opens up. You know, it's relatively simple. I think of all of them this year, this is my favorite one. There's just something the way it grows and expands across the page. It actually has V-fold risers, see underneath there, that push it down and up. And then it kind of folds in kind of a cool way. So look at that. So we're gonna make our very own pop-up wreath card together. So get some cardstock. You need cardstock. Don't use regular paper. Don't use construction paper. Use cardstock so that it's good and strong. Any color you like. Print out the templates. So I've done the hard work. I made the templates. All you got to do is print them out, build it, and decorate it. Okay, so we're going to do that all together. So there's a link down below. Click on it. That's the template. Print it onto your cardstock, whichever colors you want. And then we'll start assembling. How do you like that? Pretty nice. So let's get building. All right, so we've printed out our templates onto cardstock. You can use any color. Let's use a ruler. We're gonna use a knitting needle for making scores. We're gonna use a cutting tool like this cutting knife. You can use small scissors. Oh, we need regular glue, just like Elmer's. And we're gonna put it all together. So first, let's attack all those dotted lines. You know what the dotted lines are? They're the score lines. That's where the fold's gonna be, all right? So I press with my ruler along all the dotted black lines, okay? So that's where folds are gonna be. And the reason why we do this is because it makes it a lot easier to fold there. If you don't score before you cut out these pieces and you wanna fold them, it doesn't turn out as nicely. So please score everything. Now let's get to cutting. We gotta cut with our X-Acto knife here. Be sure to cut away from your fingers and cut very carefully. Now you're gonna see some little dots, some circles on the wreath piece that we did in the template. I took them out, so you're not gonna find them in the template. If you wanna cut little holes in your pop-up, you can, but I just think it's a lot of extra work and unnecessary, and it's just for decoration. So we're gonna cut out all those pieces following the solid black lines to cut, right? So dotted black lines, score, and that's where the fold goes, and the solid black line, cut. That's where we cut out all the pieces, and the gray is where we're gonna glue some of the tabs, all right? So we cut out all our pieces, and now that we've scored everything and all the pieces are cut out, we're just gonna pre-fold. That's our base page. We're gonna just pre-fold all the dotted black lines, and this should be super easy because the fibers in the paper already know where they're supposed to go because we scored everything. All right, let's get to assembling this wreath pop. Okay, so we're gonna tab in, see these two tabs here? This is the ribbon piece inside these two slits here at the bottom of our pop-up, and we're gonna put a little glue to glue them in place, just those little teeny tabs, and they go in those slits, just like that. And we're gonna make sure that the front of the pop-up is going to be white side, okay? So we're not gonna see the lines on this part. So let's put together the V-fold risers that are gonna make our pop-up move up and down on the page. All right, so put glue on these little tabs right here, and you're gonna see that they fit into the slits on the base page, right like this. And what you're gonna do after you've slit in both of those tabs to get everything positioned perfectly, it's gonna build flat. You're gonna make sure that that center fold line for the base page is gonna line up with the center fold line of our little piece. So see, it folds inward like that. You're just gonna press those tabs into place, make sure that you put glue on them, let it dry, and make sure it dries flat, all right? Let's do the same for the top. This piece here is gonna glue in, put some glue on both of those tabs, put it into the base page, just like so. Put it into both of those slits, make sure it lines up with the center. See how those V-folds move together? And the reason why they move together and in sync, only in different directions, is because it's gonna be moving our pop-up in different directions, that flat wreath shape.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
Bring the magic of the Disney parks into your home with this fun and interactive pop-up map.
with original artwork by the incredible Rui Ricardo, detailed text by Charlie Price, and intricate paper engineering from award-winning paper engineer Matthew Reinhardt. That's me. The Disneyland Pop-Up Park Tour brings the beloved landscapes, attractions, and characters of the Disney parks vividly to life. Intricate and unique, this deluxe pop-up map is an essential keepsake for Disney fans of all ages. Now you can bring Disneyland home with you. From New York Times best-selling paper engineer Matthew Reinhardt, that's me, comes the ultimate 3D masterpiece showcasing all your favorite comic book characters in DC Superheroes, the ultimate pop-up book. Fly above Metropolis with Superman, don a cowl and zoom through Gotham with Batman, battle alongside the Amazons with Wonder Woman, and so much more as the Justice League encounters villains such as Lex Luthor and the Joker. Featuring contemporary comics art and remarkable three-dimensional paper engineering on every page, this hefty pop-up, it's heavy, book is a must-have for all DC fans or anyone who loves the art of pop-ups. Now from Abrams Books, check it out. We're gonna put these two, this one right here, this little tab, it's gonna be glued and there's just one side, it goes right there on that side. Let's see, fit it right into place just like this. Sometimes it's a little harder if you put that piece in first. And that's glued in just like that. So the difference between a slit and a slot. Okay, a slit is just one cut. It isn't dimensional, whereas a slot is usually more box shaped. All right, so we're gonna put it into a slit. All right, let's put this other tab into place. It's glued in, and we're using regular Elmer's glue, regular craft glue. So here we go, we've got our tabs glued in place. We're gonna close it just like that. And you're gonna see, so there's the two sets on the top and then the bottom. All right, so now let's glue our wreath piece in place. And you can see there's two different sides and those will glue on the top. And we've made key-in spots so you know exactly where that piece is supposed to glue in. And there's that side, and then we're gonna glue the bottom. We're gonna put glue in those gray areas, just like that. And we're gonna glue it and it glues into place. Make sure they're lined up properly and centered. We're gonna press it down. This pop-up should assemble flat, all right? Let it dry, let all those pieces dry in place, and let's glue those little tabs, those support tabs, into place on the back as well. Let it dry, let them be flat and dried in place. Make sure it doesn't glue to the base page, and then you're gonna fold it shut. And we're gonna put our covers on the front covers of our cards because it covers up those slits with the tabs sticking out. We don't want that showing. We want our card to be beautiful, right? When we send it to someone to share or turn this into a book. Like I said, we could turn all of these pop-ups into a book that we're doing for holiday this year. You can hear all those birds in the background. Listen to that. All right, look at that wreath. Look at that. That's awesome, the way it closes and opens. Let's get to decorating. Nothing says Christmas and the holidays like a beautiful wreath on the door. I love this card. I love the way it opens. Did you enjoy making it with me? I hope you did. This one was really fun. Now, what I did for decorating is I actually used some shiny paper and I glued it onto my pop-up in this shape and this shape. So we got a nice, beautiful, shiny red bow. And then I added like little berries that are also shiny on there too. So it's a really nice wreath. You could color it any way you want to. You could put art on the front cover, on the back cover. You can do whatever you want. This is all you. And remember, you can either send these out to the loved ones you want. You could make them just for yourself, or you could make a whole book. If you make all 12 of these, you could glue them all together into a holiday book. You can make a story up. It's all up to you. You're the artist. It's your vision, right? So I hope you enjoyed making this pop-up with me. And could you do me a favor every time at the end of these videos? Could you hit that like and subscribe, please? I really, really would love to hit 30K this year. Then it gets our videos out there, more eyes on it. Then I have more time. I can commit more time to making more videos. This next year, we're gonna be doing a lot more videos, a few different types of videos as well. It's just been a really busy holiday season. I just need to get to like December 20th. I really need to get there. It's like a rush. It's a rush. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Oh, also, feel free to comment below if you really like. I love the feedback. So if you've got good feedback, you got bad feedback, Matthew, I hate your hair, let me know. I can take it. I can take it. No, but I really like it because it tells me like what should change, what should stay. And I really appreciate it because, you know, I always want to keep changing and evolving, and I appreciate your help in that mission. This is Matthew Reinhardt. Remember to be kind to a stranger, think creatively, and keep it, ooh, I love this wreath, poppin', pop it up, holiday time, happy holidays. More videos coming. Bye-bye.